Welcome to the SNGREP Quick Start Guide, presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we will be examining the flow of a successful SIP trunk registration using SNGREP. In order for your PBX to properly communicate over your trunk, a periodic registration conversation must be sent back and forth between your PBX and your trunk provider. If a periodic registration conversation does not take place, your trunk provider will think that your PBX is unreachable and will send your incoming SIP traffic to your backup route. Let's start off by taking a look at a successful trunk registration. As you can see, the PBX sends a register packet to our trunk provider, Voxtelesys. The trunk provider then sends back a 401 unauthorized packet. The PBX then sends another register packet. The reason why the register packet was sent twice was because the initial register packet did not contain valid trunk credentials. The trunk provider will always decline the first registration attempt. After the trunk provider rejects the first register packet, the PBX then sends another register packet with proper credentials. The trunk provider then sends a 200 OK packet, letting the PBX know that its registration is still valid. In this video, we examine the flow of a successful trunk registration using SNGREP. In upcoming videos, we will examine successful call flow using SNGREP. If you have any further questions, please check out support.voxtelesys.com.